everyone! Welcome back to QKR YouTube channel. Guys, ta-da! Today, QKR wearing a really cute and lovely white dress. Do you like this? I love it. It's just like perfect. I wish it had some more room here though. It's just quite too tight. I thought I am small with this brand. I never tried this brand before. This is gifted by my fan Curtis, so thank you very much. And I'm really enjoying to wear this. So today I brought these two different colors pantyhose with this dress. The one I'm wearing is black, and I will introduce you guys later. And another color is more like tan skin, so you will see. Before we get into that, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe. And if you want to see more content and exclusive, spicier and funner content, please check out my membership site link you can find in the description box. Alright, let's get into that. Once again, this one, I'm just starting off with this black sheer 20 denier pantyhose from Calzitaly 20 denier. And this is okay. I think it's very average pantyhose. Probably like I over expected about Italian brand. That's why I thought like, okay, that is just average. It's not that bad, but like when I'm thinking of like Italy brand, like some European tights must be good. I don't know, whatever. As long as you think I look good in this white dress and 20 denier, this Italian brand pantyhose, and with this high heel, then all good. I'm happy. So you would tell me which colors and which denier, 20 denier, and this is semi-opaque. So you will see which is better with this styling up. You tell me in comment. I can show you some details, how it look. Look at this details of this dress. Okay, so let me try this other color. How can I pronounce this brand? Capezio. Taiwan. Oh, okay. It's a Taiwanese brand, or is it just made in Taiwan? I don't know what country these ties belong to. Capezio. I never seen it before. And from my Amazon wishlist gift, my friend sent me this. Oh, it's soft. I like this soft tights. It feels more opaque than sheer, because it said semi-opaque. I don't know how semi they are. This is not semi-opaque. It's like literally opaque, like fully. Semi-opaque tights. This is not true. And it's also like a ballerina tight, has a hole on my sole. So you can see some bare foot at the same time somehow. It's like a ballerina tight. And look at this, how small it is. Must be very flexible. Okay? And the waistband is very quiet and thin, but also it's a soft fabric inside. And their seams are lovely. Their seams are very tidy and so clean and high-end. Capezio. Okay, Capezio. Small and medium, made in Taiwan. So waistband looks like this. Capezio opaque tight. Even though it says semi-opaque, it's literally opaque tight. And more like a coffee color, and their stitches are good. It's strong. And as I said, like a ballerina tight, it has a hole on the sole. I don't know what is the point of the hole on the sole. I'm not sure. But yeah, definitely I love this color, and this is soft. It also said ultra soft on their package. Ultra soft. Ta-da! Gold high heel. As I understand, many of my fans love gold high heels, so might as well. The color matching. Color matches well with these coffee color tights. It's very soft, and it's like almost like winter tight. So I like this feeling. Ultra soft, as they says. I love it. Except the part, it's a little bit weird on my sole because it's not fully covered with fabric. It's a little bit feeling weird. That's it, all good. You let me know which colors or which ones better. I think this color better with this dress, but also definitely sheer, thinner denier works better with this dress than this opaque. Do you agree? Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys have a nice day. See you later.